bit, of course, just a little taste. Now, before we say goodbye, we do have one final game, and this is for all our contestants, everybody. Now, the name of this game is Freeze Tag. We are going to need 2 volunteers to come to the middle. 2 volunteers. Wow. Okay. Now, in Freeze Tag, how it works, the 2 people in the middle will be doing a scene. Everyone will have the chance to at any point yell out, freeze. And whoever yells out freeze can come to the middle. May someone demonstrate? Someone will come to the middle, tap one person out, replace them in the exact same position, and continue on in a completely different scene. Okay, now let us ask for more prompts. Okay. Actually, dito ako. Hi! Hello, woman right in the middle. How are you? What's your name?
I'm Hannah.
Hello, Hannah. Pretend we don't know each other. For the sake of the prompt. Wow, Hannah, it's so great. Is this your first improv show?
It's my first basic improv show.
That is amazing. Guys, a first timer. We are so happy you're here. So, Hannah, could you give us what is the most physical activity that you can think of?
Working at a factory.
Working at a factory. Okay. Hello, sir. What is your name?
Jaime.
Jaime. Hello, Jaime. Welcome to the show. My question for you is the complete opposite. What is the most non-physical activity you can think of?
Sleeping.
Sleeping. Wonderful. So in this scene, Liam, can you pretend to be working in a factory? Wait. New choice. Wait. Audrey? Okay, Liam, strike one. Working out, you are working out. And Audrey, you are sleeping. Okay, and everyone, this is Freeze Tag.
I'm working out so you can sleep.